In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain in Cloudflare. Whether you're enhancing your website structure or setting up a new service, adding a subdomain can be a pivotal step in managing your online presence. Let's begin by navigating to the Cloudflare dashboard where all the magic happens. First, head over to Cloudflare's homepage by entering the URL in your browser. Once you're on the Cloudflare dashboard, you'll notice an option labeled Domains. Click on that as it contains the list of all the domains you've currently managed through Cloudflare. Once you're in the Domains section, locate and select the specific domain to which you'd like to add a subdomain. It's important to ensure you're choosing the correct domain, especially if you're managing multiple properties, since changes will only affect the selected domain. After selecting your domain, look for the DNS tab. Click on it, as this page will allow you to manage your DNS records. It's here that you'll configure the settings for your new subdomain. Next, within the DNS tab, you'll see an option titled Records. Select this to delve into the specifics of your current DNS configurations. Once you're in, you should see a button that says Add Record. Clicking this will initiate the process of adding a new DNS record for the subdomain. A form will appear where you'll first need to choose the type of DNS record you're adding. For most subdomain setups, you'll be using an A record because it points to an IPv4 address. However, the exact type may vary if your needs differ or if another service has instructed you otherwise. After selecting the record type, you'll type the name of your new subdomain. This might be something like blog if you're setting up a new blog section on your site. Simply input the desired subdomain and move to the next input field. In the section labeled IP for address, enter the numerical IP address that your subdomain should point to. This is typically provided by your hosting provider, and it's crucial to type it correctly to ensure the subdomain directs visitors to the right location. Finally, review all the details you've entered, and when you're confident they're correct, click Save. This action will finalize the addition of your new subdomain, making it active and integrated with your existing domain. That's it. You've now successfully added a subdomain to your Cloudflare account. Remember to check back and make any necessary updates or adjustments to your DNS records as your needs evolve over time. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.